Hi folks, Carlton here from the Pharmacy Seeds Network. Well, I got called out on a challenge, a YouTube challenge, probably close to a week ago now, and I had the camera loaned out to a friend. Actually, it's his camera, which he's loaned to me nearly indefinitely. So thanks, Dave. I appreciate that. Anyway, I got the camera back, and so now I'm going to go ahead and respond to this YouTube challenge. This challenge is put to me from Homesteading the Hard Way. Those guys are down in North Carolina, Chris and Darlene, really good down-to-earth people. They really know their stuff when it comes to farming, especially handling dogs, that sort of stuff. And hope you won't mind the honeybee flying around the microphone. Anyway, so the challenge is, why do you YouTube? They wanted 5 reasons. Well, actually, I guess I should roll back through here. I think the Green Dream Project called out Homesteading the Hard Way to this challenge, and excuse me, honeybee. And Jim's In Town Gardening, I think, originated this, and I think there's supposed to be 10 reasons initially. I haven't had time to write down 10 reasons, but I got at least 5. So, number 1, I started out going to YouTube to learn. And I learned a lot of really interesting, cool stuff on YouTube. So it's an excellent learning tool. I started the YouTube channel up in conjunction with the website that I had online a while back. I've since shut the website down because I didn't have the money to keep the site up. But at some point I hope to put that back up to help share information. But the primary reason I started my YouTube channel was to teach people, especially regarding trace mineral nutrition and biology. And to share that message so we can reduce pesticide usage and improve the health of the plants and the soil and animals we work with, ultimately the humans, and help protect and save and restore our environment. People talk about sustainable farming, but you can't even be sustainable if you don't have a practice that's regenerative, because our farming systems are pretty crashed. So that was my major inspiration. A big part of that inspiration came from Advancing Eco-Agriculture and a man named John Kempf, who is the founder of Advancing Eco-Agriculture, and also from the Bionutrient Food Association out in Massachusetts. And they're doing some excellent education work. They do workshops, they do webinars, they do YouTube videos, consulting, down the list. So I started learning a lot of this trace mineral nutrition and biology stuff from those guys, and I was so inspired by it that I felt I had to share that message. So initially I started out on that concept, but I have a lot of background and experience in engineering and building things and designing things and AutoCAD and electronics and all kinds of stuff. And so I've kind of expanded the channel to cover those areas as well. And I'm getting a lot of good feedback from my YouTube viewers and subscribers, so thank you guys for subscribing and viewing. My channel wouldn't be anything without viewers and subscribers and people who are interested in it. So I appreciate your time and your interest. Number 3, to build communities, to help people share information with each other, and to build communities that basically are symbiotic with each other, much like the rest of the natural system on this planet works. You know, you can share one little tip with somebody, and they can share it with somebody, and they can share it with somebody. And before you know it, that word is spread all over the place. Let's see, number 4, networking. So I could network with other people of similar interests, and you know, just kind of build out my my sphere of influence and people that I know. And I know that kind of goes along the line of community, but the networking part of it is a little bit different. That's more of a business-oriented kind of thing, sort of. Anyway, that's part of it. And number 5, documentation. I often find myself going back and looking at a video from a year or 2 or 3 years ago on my channel, and you know, I'm sitting there thinking about something. Wait a minute, what did I do that? When did I do that? Or how did I do that? And I'll go back and rewatch my video, and it helps me refresh my memory on what I did and how I did it and what the result or effect was. And number 6, I'm going to do number 6. This is a bonus: to inspire others. I would love to see the stuff that the sort of stuff that I'm doing inspire other people to go out and do the same thing and help build a better planet. So that's that. So thank you, Homesteading the Hard Way, for calling me out on this challenge. Much appreciated. Hope you guys are doing well. We got some nice 60+ degree temperatures here today. The sun is out. I was actually able to come out and work with my shirt off a little bit today and get some sunshine, and that felt fantastic. Hope you guys are enjoying the same down in North Carolina. Green Dream Project out in Arizona. You guys are awesome. I love your videos. I really enjoy your videos, and I appreciate your heart. I don't know how else to say it. You guys are really special, and I enjoy everything you do, and I enjoy your happiness and your personalities. So thank you. And Jim's In Town Gardening, thanks for starting the challenge. Much appreciated. Yeah, that's it. So those are 5 reasons why YouTube. And I don't know, hope you found this interesting. Like, comment, subscribe if you like, want to comment or subscribe. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.